Okay, I'm going to create a gmedia gallery. Okay, so first off, when you're uploading an image, you have to connect it to a tag, which then you can connect albums to tags. It's a three-step process. I'll show you now. So you go to gmedia once you've logged into your kendoyle.com WordPress admin, and you should have received a password. So we go into tags and filters. We want to tags. We want to add a new. We call this Ken Doyle 29/09/2015. You could have two. I would name everything after your couples, and I would give it a date because that way you can keep a tag on them all. So I'll add new tag. We also want to add an album, and we're going to call this Ken Doyle 29/09/2015. Make it public, and your author Ken Doyle. Add new. So down here we get Ken. There's no images yet. But first off, we have to. That's your first step. Second step is select a module. And for this instance, it's always going to be a phantom. So create that gallery. We'll call it Ken Doyle 29/09/2015. Make it public. Change this to tags. And that's your tag there. If you key in the first couple of letters, you'll see what comes up. So Ken Doyle. And save that. All of this is all stuff you don't need to get into. I've created the style sheet for it, so add the style sheet, and that tells you it's done up here, and create save. Okay, now we need to just upload images. So you can ignore this. We want to connect it to Ken Doyle album, and we want the tag to be Ken Doyle again, just the first couple of letters will get you what we need. We need to add your files, so we'll just do 2, 3. So there's 843 meg. There's 4 files in the queue. Start your upload. %. Stuff dropped. Okay. If you don't do it here with add these images to this album and this tag, you will find that your images will just be uploaded and they won't appear anywhere. So then you have to go into them individually and change that. I'll show you that in a minute. I wouldn't recommend that because it's very frustrating. You've got a big long list of pictures already uploaded, so you have to scroll through quite a lot to find them. So there we are, we're uploaded 100%. Okay. If you go to gmedia library, it shows you all the images. So you can go in and edit them. If you do that by mistake, which I have done in the past, edit your data. And this is where you can change. You can change whatever. Okay. Tag, author, Ken Doyle. Does it do it automatically? Okay, let's just change it automatically. Okay. So now we want to create a page. So we're going to call it Ken Doyle 29/09/2015. A few things you want to do, okay? This is your page title, your content description, and your SEO words. These are the areas that you want to be seen in. So that's where your description is there. So we'll go back into it, and this will say you want it to be found for Armagh. So you need to have load your site up with some Armagh links. So Armagh wedding photographer. Again, you need to change these around a good bit. So Google doesn't like repeat content and all that. So anyway, you know yourself what you want to put in. Separated by a comma. Wedding photography. Okay. You then add your album to the site. So I'm looking for Ken Doyle, which is that one. Let's click on it to highlight it and insert into post. Simple as that. Center it. You probably want to put in some text. Just to keep Google happy. If you're loading the page up with these, the page should actually have those words in on it. Don't make it a parent of anything. You can make it a parent of wedding galleries. Default, one column, hide your page title. This is your page title here. If you don't hide it, it'll be seen on the page. It can be a bit clumsy looking. You can create your own page title here by making a head one. Jesus. Okay. And publish. Okay. Now if you go to your site, you'll see I put it under wedding gallery, but you'll see it's not there yet. And that's because you need to now go to your menu, appearance menu. There's your app, that's the last page. Sometimes view all, you'll find it. There it is there. I'll put that, add menu. Add to menu. It always adds it to the bottom. So it's a click and drag process, so you can put it wherever you want. And always save your menu. So now when you go to your site, you'll see it there. So that's it. That's the text we put at the bottom of the page. You can put it at the top, above. I'll just delete that. That's how you delete it. Remove. And the page is still there, you've just removed it from your menu structure. Save your menu again. All pages. Somewhere in here is Ken Doyle. You can put that above the menu. Page. And this now should jump above. Okay. One other thing, you can make it just so that the couple can see it. So over here, visibility, click on the edit button, make it password protected. Ken Doyle, and go OK, update. I think this should call it password. Yeah. So there we go. Okay, that should be it. Any more? I can do another visit, Ken, if you wish. No problem with any of that. Okay. Got any problems whatsoever? Ignore this. This is Google Analytics, specifically to that particular page. Okay. Thank you.